How are my couch commandos? Boy, it's hard shooting a video in this place. We're at the car show. Look at this truck. Hope you guys are enjoying it. It's hard to shoot in here. Now I have respect for people trying to shoot. We're at the Pomona Classic Car Show. Look at that engine. Absolutely beautiful. Hope my couch commandos are enjoying this. Look at this one. Unbelievable. You guys take care. I'll be shooting videos all day. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm trying. So it's Sunday, March 1st, 2025. Pomona Car Show, California.